of the topics that's posed a challenge in the past and probably really shouldn't is cumulative frequency graphs or curves or whatever you want to call them. You've done things with cumulative frequency histograms before. But all we really did was draw them or kind of interpret numbers off of them, and we didn't do any of the things that you're going to see here, which deals a lot with percents, which we're not great at. So you should spend a little extra time with this because it is a very, very common question. And we want to be able to deal with these. Drawing a cumulative frequency curve is what I usually call it, but it's a graph also. Cumulative frequency graph isn't asked very often, but they constantly want you to be able to take things off of the cumulative frequency graph and put it into a table or answer a question. A couple of things that you absolutely have to know in order to do these is the median, 50% or under, the total value, all right, the total frequency, which is the Y value. First quartile is 25%, and the third quartile is 75%, because they will often ask you to find those numbers. They will also often ask you to find the inner quartile range, which is the third quartile minus the first quartile. That's another thing they're going to ask you to find pretty often. So you're going to do those things on one of these graphs. Spend some time with these because they tend to go very, very bad.